Warmer weather can bring many wonderful pollinators, but some of these, such as bees and wasps, are capable of stinging. Typically, if these insects are foraging, then they're pretty docile. They tend to get grumpy when you encroach upon their colony or nest because that is where they live and raise their offspring. Common wasps seen may include paper wasps, yellow jacket wasps, and mud daubers. Paper wasps are about 1 inch long, reddish-brown, although some may have yellow striping, and make a single-layer paper nest that hangs from a single filament. Mature paper wasp nests can have several hundred wasps. Yellow jacket wasps are only 1/2 inch long with yellow and black markings, and these are cavity nesters. They also make a paper nest, but it's enclosed with a single opening and may contain several thousand wasps. Both paper wasps and yellow jacket wasps are social insects, meaning that they have cooperative care of the young, overlapping generations, and particular groups in the colony with assigned jobs. Social wasp nests located in areas where someone may get stung should be managed. If nests are in areas where they won't be easily disturbed, such as high on a tree or on a second-story eave, then leave them be, as wasps are pollinators and predators and beneficial for the garden. Paper wasps can be managed with a wasp spray that shoots long distances. Treat in the early morning or in the late evening when all the wasps are at the nest. Once wasps are dead, knock down the nest, squish it, throw it away, and clean the area where it was attached to remove the chemical smells the wasp used to locate the nests. Yellow jackets should be managed by a pest management professional. Mud dauber refers to numerous wasps in the families Sphecidae and Crabronidae. These wasps are 3/4 to 1 inch in length, come in various colors, and create nurseries from mud. Mud daubers are solitary wasps and provision mud nurseries they create with insects or spiders. Once a mud nursery is filled with food, the female wasp lays an egg in it and seals it off, which is the extent of their maternal care. The female wasp then begins to create another nursery for her next egg. Bees are another common insect seen at this time of year that are capable of stinging. When bees are foraging at flowers for nectar, they tend to be docile, but if you catch one in your hand, or if one gets trapped in your clothing, they may sting. Common social bees you may see foraging in the garden are honeybees, which are not a native species, and bumblebees. Solitary bees you may see include longhorn bees, sweat bees, leafcutter bees, and carpenter bees. Valerie Stein shared her photo of a monarch caterpillar that is infected with NPV virus. NPV is short for nuclear polyhedrous virus. Caterpillars turn black and liquefy and eventually break open to spread the virus particles over the plant to be consumed by other caterpillars. NPV causes the caterpillars to climb to a high point on the plant where the caterpillar remains until its death and liquefaction, leading to virus spreading over more of the plant than it would if a caterpillar died at a low point on the plant. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and video.